Hi guys, so today I'm working on a Hyundai Veloster. It's a 2014 I think model. So the problem was that the car was hesitating and stalling or non-starting, and it had the P0087. So we had a TSB from Hyundai that said to change the fuel line, the low pressure fuel line from the tank, from the pump to the high pressure fuel pump. We did that, and it was not the cause of the problem, so we eliminate that. Next thing, we test the fuel pump, and it was not working, and the voltage was getting to the pump. So how you get to the pump, you just took your hand, pry a little bit, because there's a clip there and there's another clip on the other side. So you just have to put a pry bar under the seat so it just holds. You'll have a little plastic cap. I don't know if it was like from the dealership, but there was some like the right stuff. I put some because there was already some, but I don't know if it came already with the right stuff. So you undo this, and after under this, you're gonna have the fuel line to disconnect. Just press on each tab and you pull it, and same thing for the evap tube. You're gonna have two connector. You just unclip it after you put it to the side, and you're gonna have like 8 bolt I think, or 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. You're gonna have like some bolt. It's 8mm. After that, you just change the pump, change the o-ring, and you can put this back with a little bit of sealant. You just gotta remove your tool after, and just gotta clip those things in the hole until you hear it clip. All right, so that's it. So this is the fix for a Hyundai Veloster that is not like rolling properly, or it's hesitating, or so. That's it for today, guys. If you have the P0087, just check for your fuel pump if it's the problem. If you got voltage and still not pumping gas in the front, you can also like disconnect. I'm gonna show you. You can also disconnect like this. You just unclip that and pry a little bit the gray tab on the side, and you pull the hose, the high pressure, the low pressure hose that's coming from the fuel pump that goes into the high pressure fuel pump. And after that, you crank the car, and if there's gas getting out of this, so the pump is working, you just check the pressure if it's good. And if you don't have any gas, like in my case, like you need to change the pump if you have the voltage in the back. So just watch for this if you have the P0087. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day, and subscribe.